Welcome to RankUpturn. RankUpturn is a reliable, automated, and sustainable digital infrastructure for all types of education institutes to scale up the digital transformation journey. It provides all the necessary tools and resources to automate the classroom and curriculum activities, accumulate the critical data, stay closely connected with the students, and to understand and fill the learning needs of students statistically in real time.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the institution admin account. Before that, let me explain you about what are all the benefits of RankUpturn and what are all the user types available under RankUpturn. So let us see the benefits, which helps your institution to quickly transform your entire institution data-driven, provide all stakeholders a right privilege to find and fix the performance gap in real time, break the dependency on accumulating the real-time performance report, make all stakeholders more agile to take clear decisions, innovate a user and access management system, keep the institution stay connected to the audience at all times, systematically amplify the personalized learning in real time, provide the new degree of classroom and curriculum automation, reuse the resources, reduce the workload and save time for all stakeholders, provide real-time insightful performance analytics or trend of your entire institution, break the communication gap between different stakeholders of the institution, provide the exceptional teaching and learning experience at all times, increase the overall responsibility and performance at all levels, more secure, reliable and policy compliances. Now let us see the user types. The first user type is the root user, who initially registers with the RankUpturn to set up the school enrollment is known as the root user here. The next one is the institution admin. An institution admin denotes the stakeholders like principals, board members, or any administrative person who have all the necessary privileges to set up the entire institution. And the next user type is the teacher. The user type teacher denotes any stakeholders who has been successfully added as a teacher under your institution. The teacher is the responsible person to control the flow of content delivery, response collections, and validation, including automation. Under the teacher account, we have like two admins. The first one is the classroom admin, the next one is the curriculum admin. Now let us see what is the classroom admin. The user type classroom admin also denotes the teacher of a classroom who is having special privileges to control the student access to the corresponding classroom available under your institution over RankUpturn. A classroom can have only one classroom admin, but a teacher can be of classroom admin for many classrooms. The teacher from the same classroom can be a classroom admin of that particular classroom. In other words, the teacher who is not associated with the classroom can't be assigned as a classroom admin for that classroom. The next one is the curriculum admin. So curriculum admin is a special privilege given to the teacher. If a teacher is assigned as a curriculum admin for any subject, the user can have all the privileges to add, assign, modify, maintain and delete the curriculum's learning objectives and connected learning resources. This privilege is enabled for institution admin by default. However, this privilege can be assigned to any teacher based on the subject knowledge. The next user type is the student. The user type student denotes the student of any classroom under your institution over RankUpturn. The student will have the access to the corresponding classroom and learning resources once the access credentials are given. And the last user type is the parent user type. The user type parent denotes the parent of any student of any classroom available under your institution over RankUpturn. The parent will have the access to the corresponding student account and learning resources if the access is enabled by the classroom admin. The parent cannot respond to the learning activity but can see what content is being shared, how the kid is performing and what is the learning gap over the period of time. Now let us see how to set up the institution first. In general, the collection of classrooms based on the courses or curriculums called as institution. To set up or create the classroom successfully with RankUpturn, you as an institution admin always remember that you have to done the following to have your classroom set up complete. So initially you need to create the classroom based on the courses and you need to add the respective students for that particular classroom and you need to assign the corresponding curriculums to the created classroom based on the subjects and you need to assign the teachers based on curriculum or subject and finally you need to assign a classroom admin. In other words, it's named as classroom in charge. Now let me explain you how to start with the institution admin account. So the primary aims of institution admin account is to set up the entire institution over RankUpturn, including access control, help other stakeholders, particularly teachers, to save time on repeated tasks, centrally monitoring the performance of the entire institution over time to understand the learning needs. So the institution account setup, which involves add, assign, modify, maintain or delete the classroom students, teachers, curriculums, learning resources including access control, content delivery, response collections, validation and maintaining the records. It helps you to provide all the necessary tools and resources for your institution to start accumulating the critical data from the teachers and students. Also, it helps all your stakeholders like principals, board members, or any administrative persons of the institution to understand how the institution is performing over the period of time and fix the performance gap effectively. So here I have already logged into an admin account. The admin name is like Carl Herman. So now let me explain it. Now let us start setting up the institution admin account first. So I have already logged into the admin account. The admin name is Carl Herman. Now let me explain you how to add an institution admin. Here in the main dashboard you can able to see the admins module. I'm just going to click on the admins module. So here inside the admin module you can able to see like add school admin. I'm just going to click on add school admin. So here you have two options. If you want to add a new admin to the institution, in the sense from here you can able to add a new admin. Otherwise you can able to assign the existing teacher as an admin for this particular institution. So now I'm just going to show you like how to add a new admin. I'm going to add a new admin name here. The admin name is like Solomon Bennett. The email ID. And their mobile number details. And also here you can able to add the admin ID as well as their joining date. If you have the details, in the sense you can able to add it, which is an optional one. So once you click on add button, in the sense automatically the admin person will be receiving a mail from RankUpturn. It's a kind of link. Once clicking on the link, they need to register with the RankUpturn. Only then they can able to access the admin account corresponding to their institution. So I'm just going to click on add. So for security reasons, you need to mention your password here. So here it shows like the school admin Solomon Bennett has been added to your school successfully and the invitation email has been sent to the given email address. So here below you can able to see the admin whom we have added. This is how it will be showing. So once the admin has been registered with the RankUpturn, in the sense you can able to see their activity log will be viewed here. Now let me explain you how to add the grades. So I have moved on to the main dashboard. So in the dashboard you can able to see like add grades, add subject, add classroom, add teacher and add curriculum. So one by one I'm just going to show you like how to set up the institution first. So now I'm just going to show you like how to add a grade. For security reason, you need to mention your password here. So here you can able to see the grades which is already existing with RankUpturn account. Till 12th grade it will be already existing with RankUpturn. And if you want to modify any changes or if you want to add any new courses to your institution instance, here you can able to do it. So by clicking on edit, you can click on add new grades, and if you want to add any new course to your institution in the sense, you can able to add it. For example, I'm just going to add NEET course here. And also if you want to make any modification in the grade and if you want to make the changes like a first standard or like second standard, third standard, if you want to make here also, you can able to click on this particular grade and you can able to make the changes. And also if you want to remove any particular courses here and also the grade, if you want to remove in the sense, here you can able to see the remove icon. You can able to remove the particular grade here. So for example, I'm just going to remove the J2EE. Once you have made the changes in the sense, you can click on the save button. So the academic name list has been customized or updated successfully. So this is how we can able to add grades. Now let us move on to like how to add subject. Let me explain you about that. For security reasons, you need to mention your password here. So here you can able to see the, for each and every grades you can able to see the subject which is already existing with RankUpturn, which is already customized. If you want to add any new subject in the sense, you can able to add. So I'm just going to target on the 6th grade. So I'm just going to show you how to add a subject for 6th grade. By clicking on this edit icon, here you can able to select add new subject. By clicking on add new subject, you can able to add a subject here. I'm just adding like environmental science, which is a sample I'm just going to show you. So you can able to add a subject and you can click on save. So that you can able to see like subject list has been updated successfully. The same way, if you want to remove a subject from a particular grade in the sense, you can click on edit button and here you can able to see the remove icon. So you can able to click on this particular remove icon and you can able to remove a particular subject from the grade. Once you saved in the sense, subject list updated successfully it shows. So this is how you can able to add or remove a subject from a particular grade here. So we have seen like how to add grades as well as like how to add subject, right? Now let me explain you how to add a classroom. So I'm just going to target on 6th grade and my classroom name is like 6th grade A section. For a particular classroom, you can add maximum up to 50 students you can able to add for a particular classroom here. And if you want to add the student's name here in the sense, you can able to type the name as well as like if you want to copy paste the name from some other file also, you can able to copy paste. Otherwise, you have one more option. You can able to upload the student name list from a file also. And file uploading in the sense like make sure like while you're uploading, the format of the file should be like CSV or XLSX as well as like it can be in a text format. So now I'm just going to upload a student name list from a file from my drive. See here, you can able to see the student name list. I have added 21 students here. Once you added the student details in the sense, you can click on the next button. So here you can able to see like if you want to make any changes, any spelling mistakes you want to correct it, or you have added some student wrongly, you want to delete the student in the sense, you can click on the edit button and here you can able to see the delete icon, right? So if you want to remove any particular student from the classroom in the sense, you can able to delete the student here. And also if you want to make any changes, any spelling mistakes you want to correct in the sense, you can able to correct it. So once you have made all the changes in the sense, you can click on add button. See, the classroom 6th grade A section has been created successfully. So now let me show you the classroom here. See, the classroom which we have added, it shows here like 6th grade A section with 20 students. And here you can able to see in red color, it shows like 0 teacher and 0 curriculum, right? Because we have not yet assigned any teacher as well as we have not yet assigned the curriculum here. So that's why it shows here. And also here you can able to see near to assign curriculum and assign teacher, no? You can able to see this bar which represents in a red color because we have not yet assigned the teacher as well as the curriculum. Once you have assigned the teacher for this particular classroom in the sense, automatically the color will be changed to green. You can able to see that. So now let us see like how the classroom will shows under the RankUpturn account. This is how you can able to view the classroom. So with the student name list and their progress will be shown here and their registration number. And also once the classroom has been created with the students in the sense, automatically the username and password for the students will be generated automatically here. And also here you can able to view the activity log of the students and also the student logins will be shown here. And here below we have few options. So let me explain you one by one. So as an institution admin, so if you want to add a new student for this particular classroom in the sense, from here itself you can able to add a new student. So for this particular classroom you have already added 20 students, right? If you want to add more students in the sense, by using this add student option, you can able to add a new student for this particular classroom. And here we have like block classroom. As an institution admin, if you have created the classroom and the setup for the particular classroom is still pending in the sense, you can able to block the classroom. Still the setup is get complete, or you can able to block the classroom. Once you have blocked the classroom in the sense, the access for the student as well as their parents access will be blocked, but not the teachers access will be not blocked here. And here you have like modify name. As an institution admin, if you want to modify the classroom name here in the sense, you have an option for that. So you can click on modify name and you can able to modify the name here. Once you have modified the changes in the sense, you can click on update. And here you have like delete classroom. As an institution admin, if you have created a classroom, it's kind of like dummy classroom, you want to delete that particular classroom in the sense, here you have two options. If you want to delete the classroom immediately in the sense, you can go for this option. You can also delete the classroom in another 14 days. Based on this two options, you can able to delete a classroom from the institution here. So now let us move on to the dashboard. So we have seen like how to add a classroom. So now let me explain you how to add a teacher. By clicking on add teacher, that will be automatically taking you inside the teachers module. So now I'm just going to add a teacher here. And the teacher name is like Tommy, right? And the teacher's email ID. And the teacher's mobile number. And here you have two options, which is like teacher's ID as well as the joining date, which is an optional one. If you have the details in the sense, you can able to add the details here. And once you have added the teacher details in the sense, once you click on add button, automatically the teacher will be receiving a registration link from a RankUpturn account to their email ID. By clicking on the link, the teacher need to register with the RankUpturn account. Only then they can able to access the corresponding teacher account. See, I'm just going to click on add. So here you can able to see like teacher added successfully, and also below you can able to see the teacher who was added. No, you can able to see that teacher, Tommy, right? And here you can able to see like it shows like not registered, because still the teacher has not yet registered. That's why it's showing like not registered. Once the teacher has registered in the sense, in this column you can able to view the activity log of that particular teachers will be shown here. And this is an teacher module. Inside the teacher module, here you can able to see. So from inside the teacher module also you can able to add a new teacher for the institution, and also here you can able to see the overall the teachers working under this institution can be viewed here, and also for how many classrooms the teachers has been assigned for, you can able to view that here. And also for how many classrooms the teachers has been assigned as a classroom admin, you can able to view that details here. And also in this column you can able to view the block access of the particular teachers. Now let us move on to the dashboard. So we have seen like how to add a classroom and how to add a teacher, right? Now let me explain you how to add a curriculum for the particular institution. So here I'm just going to target on the 6th grade, as I told you before. For 6th grade mathematics, now I'm just going to create a curriculum. So here I'm just going to enter the curriculum name here. So before that, here you have like shared curriculum template, right? So if any curriculum is already created for 6th grade mathematics in the sense, that template will be shown here. Now it's showing like no curriculum template is available. If any template has been created for the same grade and the subject in the sense, that will be showing here. And also I'm just going to add the curriculum name here. Grade maths. So here I'm just going to add a block titles as well as the subtopics for each and every curriculum block titles here. So before that, here you can able to see the instructions. So for adding the curriculum as well as the resources aligning, no, you have a instruction here. You can go through the instruction and then you can able to start adding the curriculum details here. So now I'm just going to add a block title. And my first block title is like integers and decimal. So below integers and decimal, I'm just going to add few subtopics here. So this is the exact syllabus of grade 6 mathematics. So for example, I'm just going to add few subtopics here. So if you want to add more subtopic in this, you can able to add. Based on your choice, you can able to, as many as subtopics you want to add, you can able to add it here. So for example, I'm just going to add like 8 to 10 subtopics for each block. I'm just going to add here. multiple decimals addition, subtracting the decimal number. So now let me show you like how to add a block. I'm just going to add one more block. My next block title is like divisors and factors. So under divisors and factor, I'm just going to add few subtopics here. Find the LCM of two numbers. Find the LCM of three numbers. Find the GCF of two numbers. Find the GCF of three numbers. So for sample, I have added two blocks and also I have added few learning objectives here. So if you want to add more blocks also, you can able to add as many as blocks you want to add, you can able to add, and also the subtopics you can able to add it here. And here you can able to see for each and every learning objective, near to that you can able to see the edit icon as well as the delete icon. So like if you have added the learning objective and is there any spelling mistakes in the sense, you can able to click on that edit icon, and here if you want to make the changes here in the sense, you can able to make the changes. Once you have made the changes in the sense, you can click on update. So automatically the learning objective, the particular learning objective will be get edited here. And also if you want to delete the particular learning objective in the sense, here near to that you can able to click on this delete icon. So for example, I am just going to delete like subtracting a decimal number. So here you can able to see once you click on the delete icon, you can able to see like it has gone to a disable mode. So once you have made the changes in the sense, you can click on the update button. See, the learning objective which you have deleted got deleted here from that particular block. And once you have made the changes in the sense, you can click on the save. So here you can able to see like your 6th grade mathematics curriculum is updated successfully. You can customize the objective list for the curriculum at any time. Please don't forget to align the learning resources for the objective of this curriculum. So here you can able to see the curriculum which we have created for 6th grade mathematics. And also I'm just going to show like I'm just going to expand all so that you can able to see for each and every learning objective you can able to connect the learning resources as well as like you can able to create a template here for each and every learning objective. So now let me show you like how to add a learning resources for each and every learning objective here. I'm just going to click on the edit button here. So here you can able to see like add learning resources. I'm just going to add a learning resources for integers addition and subtraction. So for adding the learning resources, you have like different types. You can able to add it like lesson type or worksheet or homework or assignment or challenge or practice, or it can be like test, quiz, mock test, assessment, experiment, calculator, tool, workout, listen, others. So you have like different types. So I'm just going with the lesson type. And for uploading the file, you have like you can able to upload the file from your drive, and also you can use Google Drive or Dropbox to upload the file. And here you have two options. You can also insert the URL. Otherwise here you have an option like RankUpturn, right? You can click on the RankUpturn link. That will be automatically taking you to the library. So inside the library you can able to check whether any document or folders or file which is available for 6th grade mathematics in the sense. You can click on that, and based on the particular learning objective, if you have any document in the sense, you can able to insert it. See, I'm just going to click on the 6th grade maths. For integer addition and subtraction, I have like the file. I'm just going to insert this file. So here you can able to see the inserted file. And I'll be showing you by adding one more learning resources. For simplify the numerical expression, I'm just going to add the learning resources. The type is like, it's kind of worksheet. Now I'm just going to add the learning resources from my drive. It's a learning resources for 6th grade. See, you can able to see the learning resources which you have added, it shows here. So once you have added the learning resources in the sense, you need to save it. So here you can able to see your curriculum 6th grade max has been updated. So here inside the curriculum module, you can able to see the curriculum which has been created for all the grades can be viewed here. So now we have created the curriculum right for 6th grade mathematics. You can able to see that. I'm just going to expand all so that you can able to see the connected resources. Nearby to that, you can able to see it shows like one resource, right? And just clicking on that particular one resource, and I will be showing you like what type of resource has been added. So see here, you can able to see the learning resources which has been connected. So for worksheet, you can able to see for the second topic. So this is how you can able to add a learning resources for each and every learning objective, and also you can able to view that. So now let me explain you like how to create a template for learning objectives. So I'm just going to create a template here for integer addition and subtraction. So once you click on create template, in the sense that will be automatically taking you to the task maker here. So for creating a template, we have like two types of visibility types. So you can able to create a template in a public mode as well as in a private mode. If you're going to create a template in a public mode, in the sense the template can be viewed by all the teachers as well as the admin person who is taking classes for the same 6th grade mathematics can be viewed it. And also if you're going to create a template in a private mode, in the sense that can be viewed by the person who has created it. So if you're going to create it in a private mode, in the sense only you can able to view the file, the template. So which is like for 6th grade mathematics. Here we have like 4 different types. You can able to see the types here. So I'm just going to explain you like what are the types here. So majorly we have like 3 types, which is like automation, semi-automation and non-automation. Now let us see like one by one what is automation. So any learning activity schedule, ensure the content delivery, response collection and validation by itself is known as an automation here. So under the automation type, we have like live contest, quiz, mock test, challenge, assessment, examination, experiment, homework, assignment. So these are all the types which we have under automation type. So by clicking on any one of the automation type, I can able to show you like what kind of response collections you have for automation type. So for automation type, you have like choose the right answer, choose the multiple answer, choose the right answer with images, choose the multiple answer with images, true or false, yes or no. So these are all the options which we have for the automation type. So now let us see like what is semi-automation. A learning activity which consists of both automation and non-automation element is called as semi-automation here. So under semi-automation type, you can able to see like the types is like quiz, mock test, challenge, formative assessment, examination, experiment, homework, assignment. So these are all the types which we have under semi-automation type. So by clicking on any one of the semi-automation type, I can able to show you like what kind of response collections you have for semi-automation. See here we have like voice response, choose the right answer and attach work, choose the right answer with text, choose the multiple answer, choose the right answer with images, choose the multiple answer with images, text with attachment, short answer, essay, attach the work, true or false, yes or no. So these are the options which we have for the semi-automation type. So now let us move on to the non-automation. So any learning activity schedule requires the manual validation or interpretation for the classroom responses is known as non-automation. So under non-automation type, we have like survey, event, poll, feedback, others. So these are the options which we have for non-automation type. So by clicking on any one of the non-automation type, I can able to show you like what kind of response collections which we have for non-automation. So choose the right option with images, choose the right option with text, true or false, yes or no, rating with text. So these are the options which we have for the non-automation type. So now I'm just going to create a template for automation type. It's a kind of quiz. So the title is like integer addition and subtraction. For the title, I'm going to add a question here. Now I'm just going with the response selection like choose the right answer. So below in the answers you need to choose like which one is the correct answer. And here you need to add the credit score for this particular question. Like what is the credit score, like how many marks you want to give for this particular each questions. So I'm just going with 2 marks for each questions. And also here you have like negative credit. For each wrong answer, if you want to add any negative credit in the sense, you can able to add it here. So if you want to add, you can able to add the negative credit. Otherwise, you can able to hide the negative credit. I'm just going to hide the negative credit. For this particular activity, you can add maximum up to 100 questions at a time. So now I'm just going to add one more question. For this question, I'm just showing you the response collection is like yes or no type. So in the below answer, I'm just going to choose like which one is the correct one. It's like yes is the correct answer. And for this particular question, I'm just going with 2 marks. And also I'm just going to add one more question, which is same like yes or no. I'm going with the answer. And I'm going to add one more question. For this, I'm just going with the response selection, true or false. Once you have changed the response collection in the sense, you need to update the credit score for this question. So I'm just added the credit score as 2 here. So here in the right hand side, you can able to view like how it will be viewed in the student view screen. So here you can able to click on the previous and you can able to see the questions, how it will be viewed. So once you have created the template in the sense, if you want to save the template as a draft also, you can able to save the template in a draft. And if you want to publish the template in the sense, you can click on the template. See, the learning activity template has been created successfully. And here under the task maker, here you can able to see the template which you have created will be shown here. So and also you can go to the curriculum module and you can able to see inside the curriculum which we have created for mathematics, for 6th grade mathematics. You can able to see the created template. Here it shows like connected template is 1, right? I'm just clicking on that. And here you can able to see like what type of template has been created and when it has been created and who has been created. The details can be viewed here. So this is how you can able to add a curriculum for each and every grades here under RankUpturn. So now we have seen like how to add a classroom, how to add a teacher and how to add a curriculum, right? So here we have like 2 modules which is like assign and unassign. So now let me explain you how to assign a teacher as well as like how to assign a curriculum for a particular classroom. So from here you can able to see the assign button. By clicking on this button also you can able to assign a teacher as well as the curriculum. And also nearby to the classroom, here you can able to see like assign curriculum and assign teacher, right? By clicking on from here itself also you can able to add a teacher. So I'm just going to assign a teacher for 6th grade. The teacher name is like Terry Anson. I'm just going to assign the teacher for mathematics subject. And while you are adding a teacher, assigning a teacher itself, here you can able to see like would you like to assign the Terry Anson teacher as a classroom admin for 6th grade A section. In the sense, from here itself you can able to assign the teacher as a classroom admin. So I'm just going to assign Terry Anson teacher as a classroom admin for 6th grade A section. Okay, so here you can able to see the teacher Terry Anson has been successfully assigned to the classroom 6th grade A section. And I'm just going to add few teachers. I'm just going to add Jonah William teacher for the subject science. So I have already assigned a classroom admin. So I'm just going to assign Jonah William teacher as a only science teacher. So here you can able to see the teacher Jonah William has been successfully assigned to the classroom 6th grade A section. And I'm just going to add one more teacher. The teacher name is like Carl Herman. For the subject, English. And also I'm just going to add one more teacher, John Arthur, for social science. So now we have seen like how to add a teacher, right? So now let me explain you like how to assign a curriculum for the particular classroom. So we have assigned the teachers for the particular classroom, right? Now let us see like how to assign the curriculum. I'm just going to assign the curriculum here for English for 6th grade A section. I'm just going to assign the curriculum here. Likewise, I'm just going to assign the curriculum for other subjects also. For science, we have seen like how to assign a teacher, right? So now we can see like how to assign a curriculum for each and every subject here, the assigned subject. So I'm just going to assign a curriculum here for English, 6th grade English. I'm just going to assign the curriculum for English. So here you can able to see the subject curriculum 6th grade English has been assigned successfully to the classroom 6th grade A section. So likewise, I'm just going to assign a curriculum for the other subjects also. For science, 6th grade science. And for social science, I'm just going to add 6th grade social science. And also I'm just going to assign the curriculum for mathematics. The curriculum which we have created, right, for 6th grade mathematics, I'm just going to assign the curriculum for this particular classroom here. So here you can able to see the assigned curriculum. So here you can able to see now we have assigned the teacher as well as like we have assigned the curriculum for this particular grade, right? You can able to see the bar has been changed to green color. And also inside the classroom you can able to see the assigned teacher list as well as the subject, and also the summary of the teacher versus like curriculum summary can be viewed here. And also here you can able to see near to the teacher Terry Anson, the star represents, right, which represents the classroom admin here. And here as an institution admin, if you want to view the password of a student, in the sense you can't able to view the password of a student. So that is a special privilege which has been given for the classroom admin here. Only the classroom admin can able to view the password. So for example, see here I'm just going to clicking on this password, in the sense here you can able to see I'm inside the admin account. You can able to see like you don't have enough privilege to view the student password. Only the classroom admin of this classroom can view or modify the share the classroom of students password here. So the same thing like I have already logged into a student teacher account here. So the teacher name is like Terry Anson. I'm just refreshing the page so that you can able to see the classroom which has been assigned for the teacher can be viewed here. So the Terry Anson teacher is assigned as a classroom admin for this particular classroom. Here you can able to see as a teacher and also as a classroom admin. If you want to view the password of a student, listen, see here you can able to view the password of a student here. So that is the special privilege which has been given for the classroom admin here. So now we have seen like how to assign a teacher as well as like how to assign a curriculum, right? Now let me explain you how to unassign a teacher as well as like how to unassign the curriculum. So I'm just going to click on unassign and then just clicking on the teacher. So I'm just going to unassign a teacher here. The teacher name is like John Arthur. So from the classroom 6th grade, I'm just going to unassign the teacher here. So I'm just going to click on the edit button. Here you can able to see the remove icon, right? I'm just going to remove the teacher from 6th grade A section. And I'm just updating it. So the classroom assigned or removed successfully here. So the same thing like I'm just going to unassign the curriculum also for the 6th grade. For the subject social science, you need to choose the curriculum name 6th grade social science. For which section, the classroom name is like A section. I'm just going to remove the curriculum. So the curriculum has been removed from the classroom successfully. So this is how you can able to assign or unassign a teacher as well as the curriculum from the institution. Now you can able to check like whether all the setup for the classroom has been done, or is there anything is missing, you can able to check. So we have assigned the, we have created the classroom and also with the students, and also we have assigned the teacher with the curriculum, you can able to see that. So we have completed the setup for a particular classroom here. Now let me explain you like how to block a teacher. So inside the teacher module, here you can able to see in this column, in the fourth column, you can able to see the block access, right? So I'm just going to block a teacher so that you can able to see like how it reflects in the teacher account. So I have already logged into a teacher account Terry Anson, so I'm just going to block this teacher from the institution. So do you want to block the access for Terry Anson? Yes. So here it shows like access blocked successfully. So now I'm just moving on to the teacher account. So this is the teacher account. So I'm just refreshing the page. So here it shows like your session has been expired. And if a teacher try to log in also, I'm just going to show you like how it reflects here. See, the teacher is trying to log in, so that you can able to see like your RankUpturn access is blocked. Please contact your school admin. So I'm just back to the admin account. I'm just going to unblock the teacher here. So do you want to unblock the access for Terry Anson? Yes. So now if you try to log into the teacher account in the sense, you can able to easily log in. See, as a teacher, now you can able to access your teacher account here. So this is how the block and unblock works under the RankUpturn account. The same wise as a institution admin, if you want to block any particular admin from the institution license, how you have blocked the teacher, no, same like that you can able to block the admin also here. So near to this off button in the block access column, you can able to see. So if you want to block admin in the sense, you can click on this and you can able to click on yes in the sense, automatically the particular admin access will be blocked. So we have seen like how to block a classroom from inside the classroom, right? And also here in the main dashboard, as an institution admin, you can able to block a classroom. Near to the each and every classroom, you can able to see the block classroom here, which represents in red color, right? By clicking this option here itself also, you can able to block a particular classroom from the institution here. So now let us see like uses of library under RankUpturn. So library is a place like where as a institution admin, if you want to create any folder or upload any file in the sense, you can able to create a folder and upload files here. So based on the learning resources or learning objective, if you want to create any particular grade learning resources here in the sense, you can able to create a folder and you can able to upload the file based on the particular subjects here. So I'm just going to show you like how to create the folder. I'm just going to create a folder for mathematics. So see here, you can able to see the folder which we have created now, it shows here. So I'm just getting inside the folder and I'm just going to show you like how to upload the file. I have few files, I'm just going to upload the files here. See, you can able to view the uploaded file, and near to the file I'm just going to edit the file. So if you want to view like what kind of file has been uploaded in this sense, you can able to view the file here. And also you can able to rename the title here. So for this particular file, if you want to rename the file in the sense, you can able to rename the file, and if you want to add the description in the sense, you can able to add it here. So here in the type, automatically the type will be like in public mode only. So if you want to create any file in a private mode in the sense, you can able to click here and you can able to change it to a private mode. So if you're going to create any file in a private mode in the sense, that can be visible only to you only. So if you're going with the public option in the sense, whatever the files you have uploaded, that can be utilized by all the teachers and the admins of the particular institution can be utilize the particular file here. So once you have made the changes in the sense, you can click on save. So this is how you can able to add a folder, create a folder, as well as you can able to upload the files under library here. So now let us see like the uses of messages module here under the RankUpturn account. So as an institution admin, you can able to chat with all the teachers in this particular institution individually as well as in a group. Also you can able to chat with the teachers here. And also as an institution admin, you are taking class for 9th grade A section, 8th grade 6th grade A section, 10th grade A section, right? To all the students in this particular classroom, you can able to chat with the students individually as well as in a group also. And here we have like message center. As an institution admin, if you want to send any particular announcement by targeting some particular group, in a sense you can able to send the announcement here. You need to choose like on you need to choose the targeted group first, like it's for the overall institution or admins or teachers or students or parents. You need to choose the targeted group, and you can able to add the title and the description here. And also if you want to add any attachment file, in the sense you can able to attach the file here. Make sure while you're attaching, the maximum size of the file should be like 100 MB. And also here you have an interesting part which is like sticky. So if you're going to send any important announcement and you want that particular announcement to be popping up in the top for particularly 2 days or 3 days, that should be like popping up in the top, in the sense you can use sticky here. So for example, so I'm just going to send some announcement with 2 days, in the sense that particular announcement will be tagged in the user messages center till December 1st. So this is how you can able to add the sticky and you can able to send the announcement here. So see here, you can able to see the announcement which has been already sent from the admin side as well as from the teacher side. You can able to view the targeted groups here. So this is an announcement which has been targeted the overall school, and also this announcement has been the targeted the teachers here. So you can able to view the details here. Now let us see like the uses of calendar. So this is an academic calendar which has been created only by the institution admin. Based on the target group, they have been created the academic calendar here. And also as an institution admin, you can able to create the calendar entry in a private mode here, which can be visible only to you. So by doing this, you can able to maintain your own private calendar along with the academic calendar, so that you can able to plan your personal and professional events more easily. You can able to add your subject and notes here. So this is how we can able to add the calendar entries. And the next one is like notes. As an institution admin, if you want to create any personal notes, in the sense you can able to create the personal notes here. So whatever the notes which you are going to create, that can be visible only to you. You can able to add the new notes, and also you can able to delete the notes here. And now let us move on to the interesting topic, which is like task maker, which helps your teachers to save their time on repeated tasks here. So here under the task maker, if you want to create any template, in the sense from here also you can able to create the template. You need to choose like what is the template visibility type, and also you need to choose like for which grade you are going to create a template, and also for which subject, and also you need to choose the title here. Based on that, you can able to create the template. And here inside the task maker below, you can able to see the template which has been already created by other teachers, and other admin person who has created the template can be viewed here. So here you can able to see the template which I have created for 6th grade mathematics, right? So this template can be used for by the other teachers who is taking class for same 6th grade mathematics. They can able to utilize this template for their particular classroom. They can able to assign this template as an activity for their particular classroom. So by connecting and collaborating with the right learning resources as an institution admin, you can able to help your teachers users like maximum up to 90% of the teacher's time will be saved here, so that the teacher can able to utilize their time to spend more time with the students to help them to perform better. So now let us move on to the interesting topic, which is like progress. So for monitoring the entire institution performance report, so as an institution admin, you can able to measure the overall institution performance, and also you can able to view the overall institution progress can be viewed, and also the individual student programs can be viewed here, individual teachers performance can be viewed here. So let me explain you about that. So here in the right hand side corner, you can able to see in the progress module, 12.88 is the syllabus covered, is right. This is the overall syllabus covered by the teacher in the institution is like 12.88%, and also the overall progress of the students in the institution is like 62.09%. So here the overall performance percentage will be shown here in the right hand side corner in the progress module. And also here below, near to the each and every classroom, you can able to see the like what is the syllabus covered in that particular classroom, and also the what is the overall progress in that particular classroom. The students progress in that particular classroom will be shown here. So by clicking on the particular classroom now, I can able to show you. See, inside the classroom you can able to see, and an institution admin you can able to view the progress of each and every student's progress will be shown here. And also you can able to view the last student's progress can also be viewed by the institution admin here. In a single click he can able to view it. See, I'm just going to click on a particular progress. You can able to see like what is the learning for which learning objective he has scored less, and what is the progress of the student in each and every learning objective can be viewed here. By choosing the student name here, you can able to see. See here, you can able to see Dilemma scored in the rational numbers. He has scored like 80%. So based on each and every learning objective, as an institution admin, you can able to view the progress of the students here. By clicking on the progress also, you can able to see like how the progress has been calculated and what kind of activity has been assigned for the particular classroom can be viewed here. So here you can able to see it's a kind of activity, it's kind of challenge type, and for that the student has scored like 80%. The progress will be calculated based on the recent activities. And also here in the feed column, you can able to view like what kind of activity has been assigned to this particular classroom can be viewed by the admin here. The performance monitoring is a very important tool for stakeholders like principals, board members, or any administrative persons of the institution to understand the learning needs, stay aware of the current performance trends, systematically amplify the personalized learning, and fill the performance gap in real time from anywhere, anytime. By incorporating RankUpturn, they don't have to completely rely on teachers' reports or wait for the periodical examination report to understand how the institution is performing over the period of time and fix the performance gap effectively. So we came end of the institution admin account. So this is how, as an institution admin, you can able to set up the entire institution over RankUpturn, including access control, help other stakeholders, particularly teachers, to save time on repeated tasks, centrally monitoring the performance of the entire institution over time to understand the learning needs here. Thanks for watching. Get started with a free subscription today. RankUpturn LMS is an innovative one-stop solution. Provides all the necessary tools and channels for your institution to systematically amplify the personalized learning, automate the classroom and curriculum activities, and provides the proper channels for all stakeholders to statistically understand and fill the learning needs in real time. Happy teaching and learning.